Hello, hello, hello YouTube. Come spend a weekend with me. Hi. So it is Friday and I am heading out with Matt to go to check out an estate sale to see if we can't find some furniture. So figured, and we're gonna go furniture shopping tomorrow, so I figured this was like the perfect little weekend vlog to bring you guys along. Back to an estate sale that we were just at on Grand Island. Would I say on Grand Island or in Grand Island?
Do you say in Long Island?
Yes, I say in and I say in and on.
You're technically on an island.
So we're on Grand Island.
Correct.
Okay, on Grand Island, and we went to this estate sale and found this great like dresser slash desk. It is a multi-purpose functional item, and I'm so excited about because I'm a sucker for really anything that has like what's it called, like what would you call it? It's built-ins. If you've got built-in storage in anything, I'm a sucker for it. So there's like a little built-in storage section of this desk, and the best part is it was literally $35, which you're literally never gonna find any kind of desk or dresser for $35 if you are shopping new at a place like Wayfair. Also, you're not gonna really usually get real wood if you're shopping in a place like Wayfair. And then if you're going to a place like Raymour, Flanigan, or Ashley Furniture, you're gonna be paying a lot more for an item like this. So I am so excited. We found our first piece of furniture together. So we're gonna go pick it up and load it into this car. Here she is. I am literally obsessed with it. So we are outside at Matt's mom's house in the backyard, and the lighting is like so good. And so we are taking some photos right now, and I wanted to share with you guys, which I'm just so excited about. If you guys have never tried gomacro, you absolutely have to. They are my favorite gluten-free vegan protein bars. I feel like there are so many bars that are made with kind of crap ingredients and or a lot of fillers, and they leave you not feeling good. Whereas gomacro bars, I've been eating these for years, and I'm so excited to say that I am now a brand ambassador with them. So I highly recommend you guys give them a try. A box of 12 bars on the website cost about $35, and if you use my code, which is my username JBethJS, I will put it right here on the screen. If you use my code, you will get $9 off. It's a 25% off code, and it's literally brings the bars down to just over $2 a bar, which is the cheapest you can find gomacro bars anywhere. Literally, they sell them at like Trader Joe's, Wegmans, all the shops that I go to get my groceries, and I've never been able to get them so cheap. So thank you, gomacro. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have this code to be able to share with you guys to get the discount, because these are just the greatest. You guys have to try. I have the oatmeal chocolate chip right here, which literally tastes like an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie, but they have a lemon flavor that is like so perfect for summer. And I mean, all their flavors are good. They have this like protein purity flavor, which is like sunflower butter, which is delicious. They have one called, I think it's called the Sunny Uplift. It's like cherries and berries in it. They're just so freaking good. So give them a try. And if you guys make an order, or if you've just tried them before, let me know in the comments below what your favorite flavor is. So it is Saturday at like almost 11. And we are gonna go to a few more furniture shops. So yesterday I told you guys we went to that estate sale. We got a great piece. Then we literally just came back after taking those gomacro photos, got some dinner, and just relaxed. And so today, this morning, I did a little workout. We've been hanging with Gouda, and we're gonna go to 3 different furniture stores. I figured I would bring you guys along. For Humanity store. We went to the Madhouse first, which had such amazing stuff, like a lot of wood, which is what we're seeing here as well. We're really looking for like a dresser, bookshelf, TV stand, but it's really hard, obviously, to know exactly what to get when you don't know the exact space that you're moving into. But this is our second stop, and just so many good things. And honestly, the prices here are, a lot of the stuff is very similar to what was at the Madhouse, but so much cheaper. So definitely worth checking out. And like in your local neighborhood, look for the Habitat for Humanity Restore. Really good stop. If you guys can see, Lake Effect. Are you excited?
So excited.
It's official. We have a king-size mattress. I'm beyond excited. Anya, if you're watching this, thank you for the recommendation of coming to Lake Effect. It is a family-owned business, which Matt and I are thrilled to buy a mattress from a family-owned business. It just feels so good. We also got a killer price. We literally got a king-size mattress for less than $800. I think that was we were not expecting to get a mattress.
No.
Not at all.
Furniture.
Yeah, we were like, we'll get maybe dressers.
Modern, it's like a renewal store.
Yes.
Instead of a full-blown new kind of vibe.
But we got a mattress! So we just got home from our day out of furniture shopping. We went to 5 different places. So first the Madhouse, then the Habitat for Humanity Restore, then Niagara Emporium, Raymour and Flanigan, and finally the 5th place was Lake Effect, which was where we got our mattress. I'm so excited. It's nice to be home. It is a little bit after 4 p.m. so we were out for about 5 hours, but going to 5 stores in 5 hours and walking away with a king-size mattress for less than $800 is such a win. So I am just so excited. I am gonna continue to take you guys along in the process. I toured an apartment and I was gonna make a little video showing you guys that, but Matt and I have we've got all the vibes out for a place coming available in the building that I live in at 500 Seneca. So fingers crossed that we find it. I will bring you guys along to show you a place that we're going to be touring in this building in a few weeks. So I'm so excited for that. But it's just so fun to continue to be making progress. So I will take you guys along. And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell to subscribe so you don't miss out. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Why do you always want to lick the camera, huh?